Hi teacher, it's me again. This is my child's dipthongs. Let's start. Oh, ow. How did you know that? I don't know. Where the hole is on the coat. I don't know how to drive on the road. I need to blow my nose when I have a cold. Has it ever snowed in Rhode Island? Cold, white, rain will slowly blow snow over most of Ohio. This lows in New York, so focus. Don't go out without coats. The brownest couch is downstairs. Her house is on the south side of the mountain. I was proud of the sounds that came out of my mouth. Are you going to our house? Scents are down, but our projections for next year are very good. Our plans will be changing in the next hour. Are you sure that our meeting will be an hour late?